It was a horrifying tragedy that happened so quickly. It claimed 4 lives on Washington Boulevard. But as those flood waters rose last August, a young woman's instincts took over, and her actions were heroic.
She jumped straight into danger to save a stranger's life, and now honored with a Heroes Award. Christine Marty tells us only to us tonight she doesn't feel worthy of it.
It happened in an instant, a deluge swallowing the road.
We just got stuck in this gridlock, and the water began rising, and my mom was like, call your dad right away, ask him what to do and everything, because she knew not to drive through standing water.
That standing water rose to 9 feet. 911 dispatchers told Christine Marty to open her car's windows and the sunroof.
I started getting out the passenger side window and got to the roof of the car, and then the car started filling up a lot faster, and my mom, if we hadn't had the sunroof.
They were safe, others were not.
And I heard someone, and I just, without thinking about it, I just jumped into the water and just went to go find and see what was going on.
Christine swam to a 69-year-old Lower Burrell woman who was trapped in her car. What happened next, she says, was instinct.
You heard someone screaming, you go to help them, and then you see what you can do. And I just wanted to make sure that I was, a friend to her, and it wasn't going to scare her more than she already was. And it just seemed kind of like, okay, so we're going to get you out of the situation. It's going to be fine. And then we were able to swim because her car, after she got out, just completely sank.
Christine swam, pulling the woman to the top of a nearby SUV. She would later learn 2 other women and 2 children weren't so lucky. Knowing they died so close to her makes receiving this Carnegie Award bittersweet.
I think that the title hero, I don't think I can ever feel worthy of that. I'm just very appreciative that I was able to help in that situation.
You know, I think what was so touching about her interview tonight is she said basically if nobody had died, maybe she would feel differently.
It's a different feeling when 4 people die.
But when you can't save everybody,
Yeah.
what a dear young woman.
But she knew what to do, and she jumped into action.